Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to register on the Aitarget platform. Aitarget is a platform that makes it easy and cost-effective to pay for advertising platform. You can easily manage the budgets and analytics of multiple advertising platforms and accounts from a single dashboard. To register, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner of our website. You'll be taken to the account creation page. Enter your name, your email, create a password, confirm this password, select your business registration country, and add your phone number. Once you've filled all the required fields, check the box confirming that you agree to our terms of use and privacy policy. You can click on these links to read these documents in detail. When everything is ready, click Get Started. Next, you'll need to provide some information about your company. Enter your company's official legal name or your individual entrepreneur name, then your business address, and your website link. If you don't have a website, you can provide a link to another resource you plan to advertise, such as Telegram channel or TikTok account. You can always update this information or replace the link later. After completing all the fields, click Go to the last step. In the final step, choose your typical monthly advertising budget and select the advertising platforms you plan to choose. Please note that the minimum first deposit on the Aitarget platform is $500. These funds are credited to your Aitarget wallet and you can spend them at your own pace across any supported advertising platforms. If your monthly budget is below $500, we recommend you one of our partners to work with. Select the platforms you plan to advertise. And here we also want to mention that after registration, you'll be able to add more platforms and create additional advertising accounts whenever needed. Once it's ready, click on Finish Setup. We'd also appreciate it if you let us know how you heard about us. Before you can start using Aitarget, there are just a couple more steps to complete. First, you need to create an advertising account. At this stage, you can create a TikTok, Facebook, Telegram, and Google Ads account. If you need any other platforms, you can always click on this icon on the bottom right corner and message our support. For this example, let's create a Telegram Ads account. This application form will open. Choose the account type you prefer. Here are two options, Euro account and Ton account. By this link, you can check the difference between these two accounts and choose the most suitable for you. Then you should select a country where you'll be targeting your ads, your industry, your website link. Then you should provide a link to the channel or bot in Telegram that you want to promote. And the last step, you need to provide a link to the users in Telegram who will have access to the advertising account. After completing all the required fields, click Get Telegram Ads button. Your application will be reviewed by our support team within 1 business day. Please make sure that all the information you provide is accurate and that your website or Telegram channel is active. This is required to successfully pass our internal moderation. Our specialists will manually review your application. It may be rejected if the provided link is invalid or the application violates the advertising platform's requirements. If you have any questions, you can always contact our support team by clicking on this chat. While you are waiting for your application to be approved, you can review the financial terms available for your account in your target region. This section contains pricing and financial conditions for all 9 advertising platforms available on Aitarget. You can also explore the analytics section to see what kind of reporting and insights you'll have access to. Once your application has been approved, you can move to the next step, funding your Aitarget wallet. Simply click on Top Up Wallet button. We accept payments in 2 ways, by bank transfer and by card. There is no need to sign a separate contract as we operate under a public offer agreement. You can find the agreement by clicking your profile icon and choosing Terms of Use section. Here's this document. You can download it and see the full details. Another important thing to keep in mind, once you've selected your payment method, you won't be able to change it later. So before proceeding, decide which option works best for you. Card payment is the best choice if you want to top up your balance instantly and don't require accounting documents. Bank transfer is recommended if you need accounting documents and you are paying on behalf of a company. If you choose to pay by card, please note that here is a Stripe commission starts from 2.9%. The exact fee can be found on the Stripe website. After selecting the card payment, you'll proceed to the payment page. The top-up wallet window will open, displaying the minimum initial payment amount. The payment currency depends on the advertising account you've selected while registering on the platform. So here we have Euro, as we've registered Euro Telegram account. And here is already mentioned the minimum first payment, which is 500 euros as a minimum budget and 20% service fee for the type of industry that you've chosen for this account and the geo. Also here you see the full breakdown of the payment, including Stripe commission. If you have a promo code, you can activate it by clicking on Activate a Promo Code button. Enter this promo code and click Apply the promo code. If you don't have a promo code, simply click Go to Payment. You'll then be redirected to a secure Stripe payment page where you can enter your card details and complete the payment by clicking Pay. If you choose to pay by bank transfer, you'll first need to provide your company's billing details. You should enter the company tax code, the bank full name, SWIFT or BIC, and account number. Once you've entered the required information, proceed to the payment. The wallet top-up window will open, and here you also can see the full breakdown of your first payment. Just a quick reminder, this amount will be paid in euro as you've applied for a Telegram Euro account. If you apply for Tone account or for Meta account, here you'll see the USD. And here you see the amount, what it includes. The minimum budget of 500 euros and 20% service fee. If VAT applies to your account, it will also display here. You can enter any amount that you want, but it should be at least 600 euros. When you are ready, click on Create a Proforma Invoice. Here you can download the PDF with your invoice, or you can send this by email. By default, the invoice will be sent to the email address that you used to register your Aitarget account, but you can change it to any valid email address. Once your invoice has been paid, the funds will be credited to your Aitarget wallet within a few business days. After your wallet has been funded, you'll be able to transfer money to your advertising platform balance. To do this, open the Finance section and click to the Allocate Budget. Select the wallet balance you'd like to use. Then choose the advertising platform you want to transfer funds to. Enter the amount that you want to transfer, and here will be shown the credited amount. Once it's done, click on transfer. As always, if you have any questions, you always can contact our support by clicking on the chat in the bottom right corner.